Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to block YouTube ads in the Geosphere browser that is based on Google Chrome. Geosphere has a built-in ad blocker that you can enable or disable based on your needs. To turn it on or off, just follow these simple steps. First, open a new tab in your Geosphere browser, then click on this one triple dots menu on the top right corner and select here settings in the drop down menu. Under settings, select this one privacy and security in the left sidebar. On the right, you will find add privacy. Click on this one. Here you will find ad blocker. You can enable or disable according to your needs. Alternatively, to quickly enable or disable ad blocker plus on your Geosphere browser, beside the address bar on the top right corner, click on this one icon ad blocker plus, and here you can also turn on or off this one ad blocker plus plugin. Once you have enabled this one plugin, you can browse YouTube website without any ads. You can open any video of your choice and you will see not any ads in that. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.